In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us want to work, all of us want to be successful, but all of us want to enjoy as well. We do want to enjoy our life. That is nice, nothing is bad in it. But simply, there are certain things which should be taken care of, which should not be ignored and neglected. Because not being aware of these things and not taking care of these things actually result in something very bad, so bad that it would be enough to spoil, to destroy our life. While going for the entertainment, while getting a kind of recreation, it is something really positive and useful. Obviously, we do have to live for a good amount. We want to live for for a good period of time. We want to be healthy. We want to be successful. We want to enjoy as well. We need for our recreation. We need a good amount of sleep. Sleep is the best ever refreshener. It refreshes us a lot. Nutritious food, very important and essential. Very important and essential. Then there are certain recreations, refreshments which are needed. Entertainment, fun. All of these things are necessary. All of these things are useful. Sleep, food, fun. But while doing the three of these things, we must have to be careful and cautious. Failing to be careful and failing to be cautious, obviously, it is something very much counterproductive. Sleep, neither more is good nor less is good. A reasonable amount of sound sleep is very necessary for our health, for our longevity, for our good performance. Excessive sleeping, more than 7 to 8 hours a day, obviously it is not a good sign at all. But keeping us deprived of the good sleep is equally bad, or even more bad. It will not do good with us at all. It will hurt our health, our longevity, our performance, the quality of work we are producing, and the enjoyment we are getting out of our life. So be careful and cautious about the sleep. Then comes the food. Food should be nutritious. There are two reasons for the eating. Obviously, the first and the foremost is getting the needed nutrition. That is useful, that is necessary, essential. And the other purpose is the enjoyment. I think that we should be taking care of the nutritional factor. We should eat what is good for our health. Should avoid eating what's not good for our health. Because if at all we are not taking care of what is good and what is not good for our health, and we do keep eating whatever we like, whatever we love, whatever we enjoy, sooner even the food which is not prohibited today will become prohibited tomorrow, after some of the time, in the future, by our physicians. Our physicians will say that if at all you want to live, if at all you want to become a healthy and active, then stop eating this, stop eating this, stop eating that. So for that reason, somebody very wise said that eat your food as a medicine. Eat your food as a medicine. Otherwise, you do have to eat your medicine as a food. Means be very careful and cautious about what you eat. If at all you don't want to observe the cautions, you are eating what you want to eat, following your desires and impulses instead of taking care of your health. What is going to happen then? You may have to eat the medicine in abundance. You may have to eat the medicine several times a day and on a daily basis. Means you will become a sick person. To avoid being a sick person, it is far better and far necessary to be careful and cautious about what we are eating. About what we are eating. Then there are other activities. People, that is fun. Fun is good as well. But be careful and cautious about the fun. Be very careful and cautious about the fun. Because in the name of the fun, some of the people do start certain activities, which activities harm their health, their wealth, their reputation, and everything else in the society. So I think so. Here there is a thin line between the recreation and between the recreation and the addiction. So if at all recreation is fine, but addiction is something very bad and something which is extremely bad. I think to be able to avoid the addiction, we must be very careful and we must be very cautious about what sort of activities are we carrying on in the name of the recreation, in the name of the entertainment, in the name of the fun, in the name of the refreshment. I think so. If at all we are doing it indiscriminately, sooner we do have to repent and regret, because this thing is going to destroy us. Gratification through food or certain other things, I think it is okay, but we must be very careful, we must be very cautious about it. We must not be careless in this regard, because if at all we are not trying to stay away from the addiction, then what is going to happen? We might get one, we might get the other, and if at all sometime even one of the addiction is enough to destroy our life. Be very very careful, be very very cautious as far these entertainments are concerned, as far these fun activities are concerned, as far these refreshments are concerned, as far these recreations are concerned. I'm not against it, I'm not calling it bad, because it is a necessity, but we must be very much careful what is prohibited and what is not prohibited, what is allowed and what is not allowed, and to what extent I do have to do certain things, and from where I must stop it. Thank you.